Auto break settings. Depending on your company and the required method of clocking in and out, you can set up an auto break feature that will record your staff having had a break without the need for your employees to actually clock in and out to record the taken break. You can select a specific location or staff category that the auto break feature will affect. First of all, press the blue Add button to add an auto break condition. In the Groups and Staff category column, you can add more auto break settings by clicking the Add button. If you have different working patterns, you can set the auto break to allocate that a set break has been taken after a certain amount of hours has been worked. In the auto break conditions column, you can specify the number of hours in total that will have to be worked, and from the auto break column, how long a break will be registered once a total hours has been recorded. For example, if 6 hours of work have been recorded for this working day, a break of 30 minutes will be automatically allocated to the staff member. This is particularly useful if you do not have set break times and have employees taking breaks at convenient times for your business. Remember, when setting this feature up, you must apply to your country's employment and break laws. And as always, don't forget to save.